In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from Magnific AI Desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean cutout of your subject ready for designs, presentations, or product shots, all in just a few clicks. Start by opening Magnific on your desktop. Once you're in the app, look to the left sidebar and open the All Tools section. This is where Magnific groups its features, and it makes it easy to jump straight into the task you need without hunting through menus. From the tools list, choose Remove Background. This tool is designed to automatically detect a subject and separate it from whatever is behind it, which saves you from tedious manual masking. Next, click Select Image. This opens up your options for bringing in the photo you want to edit. You can drag and drop a file directly into the window, upload an image from your computer, or choose one you've already saved to your Magnific library. For best results, start with a clear, well-lit image where the subject contrasts with the background. Standard formats like JPG and PNG work great, and higher resolution gives the AI more detail to work with. After your media appears, click on the image you want to use so it's highlighted. This makes it the active selection for the tool. Then, click Add to confirm and bring the image into the Remove Background workspace. You'll see your selection load, and you're just one step away from the cutout. Now click Remove Background. Magnific will analyze the image, detect edges like hair, fur, or product outlines, and remove the background automatically. Give it a moment to process. You should see a clean subject on a transparent or neutral backdrop. If the result isn't perfect, consider trying a version of the photo with better lighting or less clutter for even sharper edges. That's it. Open Magnific, go to All Tools, pick Remove Background, select your image, add it to the workspace, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. You now have a polished cutout ready to use anywhere.